This afternoon's challenge, which you all have decided to partake in, is a Chopped style challenge made a little more difficult by the fact that I believe I've never seen Chopped and I'm supposed to be the judge. The competition, the category is appetizer, meaning anything not a main course and not a dessert. You have until I'm finished my workout.
Oh, that's all time boxed.
That's what you've got. I'm choosing a half-an-hour workout. The contestants all had $10 with which to purchase ingredients.
Fresh and affordable.
I have no idea if they actually stuck to the budget or not.
We're all under budget.
We are
We're all under budget. You guys all checked? All right. Are there any questions before the competition begins?
Nope.
All right. I'm going to start my workout. Bye. Okay, Chop Judge is coming to ask, what is it that you're doing, sir?
Coring a pineapple.
Coring a pineapple. What? Ooh, wow, cool. Ooh, let's see. Oh my goodness. Wow, that's some definite presentation points. What about you, ma'am? Besides using some extra butter you didn't pay for in your budget. Ooh,
Pardon me, but I have two
wow.
leftover dollars.
Chopping up some rosemary.
Yes.
Very snazzy. All right. And what's happening over here?
I'm trimming my my grape excess off for presentation purposes.
Excellent. And is presentation important in this whole thing?
I think presentation is the most important thing.
Certainly hope that you're washing your hands in between shoving
I absolutely
something in your
am.
mouth. Good. Go.
I absolutely am.
Good. Good. Three-minute warning. Help me decide. And while I was getting in my workout, I have to tell you that the Chopped version, Outer Banks Waters 2017, was happening. And since I have not seen the show, I'm going to need your help. The challenge was to take $10 worth of ingredients and create something appetizer-like. And that definition was anything you might eat that wasn't a main course that also wasn't dessert. Ms. B. Waters, would you please show us what you had, B?
All right. This is a baked cheese toasty. It has mozzarella and Parmesan cheese with an underlayer of butter rosemary sauce.
Ooh, how delicious. And what made you decide on these particular ingredients, young lady?
When I go to a restaurant, I like to have something a little more filling as an appetizer, and I thought that this would be a good creative twist on usual cheesy bread.
Ah, all right. So there we have version number 1 is cheesy rosemary bread stuff. Contestant number 2, we have Jeremy Waters. What, sir, did you make for our viewing pleasure, for our eating pleasure this afternoon?
We made the fruit volcano.
Oh, my goodness, that is quite a volcano. If anybody thinks that's awfully colorful and well presented, please give me a high five. Wow.
I saved some of my budget just in case. If it's worth some votes to you, I might be able to slip you a couple bucks.
I'm not a politician. I'm sorry, you're going to have to talk to your congressman about that. Our next and final contestant, we have Mr. Julian Waters.
This is a this is my take on a classic bread and cheese platter. I like to call it a Roman platter.
There we go.
Wow,
so we have our three
cow.
three contestants today. Well, our 3 dish contestants. The Roman platter, and we've got our rosemary cheesy bread, and we have the pineapple volcano. There are some definite difficulties here. Well fueled by, what are you drinking there, sir?
Snowblind.
It's a Star Hill Snowblind. We got to represent Charlottesville breweries while we're even in the Outer Banks.
This is not
probably
a sponsored
if
video.
there's not a sponsored video. And
No,
I'm not sure about that.
You don't put the used crouton back onto the crouton
Well, you don't
pile.
put it on my plate.
That's unsanitary.
Oh, sorry. Who's next to the spot?
That's
He's done a few times before.